So all you're gonna need to do is you first need to type in Helium 10 affiliate signup. When you type this in, you want to scroll down past the sponsored section and click on their website. You can see right here we have the option to join now. Now you basically have to apply, and it does do it through this website called impact.com. And you basically click on the sign up option right here. You can see you can simply add any of your websites or channels or whatever social that you actually want to promote Helium 10 on. Now, the reason they want you to do this is they want to have a clear plan of what you're trying to do with their link and how you're going to frame their website, because they don't want to let anyone into the affiliate program who's going to mislead and promote their site in a manner they don't want to. If they do want to be professional, so they do want to click on this and then click on continue, and you can see it'll bring you to this page like so. And you can see right here, basically after you fill out the application, you just want to click on continue, agree to their terms of service a few times, and doing so, it'll basically put your application in review. And if you do want to copy any of your links once you've been accepted into the program or signed up, not all of them have to accept you into the program, like Shopify for example, but you just go on to the impact.com website and you can go down to assets under content up here, where you can basically see on this left hand side of the screen, you can choose your category, which one you actually want to get the affiliate for, but you basically select that one and then you can click on the link. You can see there's over 70 affiliate links. These are all different discount codes. Some of them expire, some of them don't. I personally would go for the evergreen discount with one right here, and you basically just click on it and you go to the tracking link and you can copy the link right here, and anyone who signs up with this link just on helium.com or whatever website you're trying to use, you can basically just get your money and you can actually view that earning just on this application like so. And yeah, it makes it really easy on impact.com. Found this helpful. Consider liking and subscribing down below.